Okay, that's a lesson to be learned. Just withdrew tried withdrawing 20,000 Thai baht, 920 Australian dollars from this ATM, and it timed out. Not sure what had happened, but just timed out and wouldn't give me the money. So we were meant to go to Harley Davidson, but now we're going to K-Bank. We've got a grab coming on his way, and we'll go to K-Bank and hopefully sort out the matter, because it's come out of my bank account, but I ain't got the cash. This is at the big 7-Eleven, that ATM over there on the left, on the right hand side, K-Bank ATM. So expensive exercise. So I've come down to this K-Bank and tried talking with them to get my money back up to about 920 Australian dollars. Yeah, not very good. They're lodging an investigation into it. I won't be able to get my money back at all until for another week apparently or so, and I'll be back in Australia. So Denise has spoken to our bank, and hopefully they'll put a transaction cancellation on or something, and hopefully get it refunded and dispute it. So but I've got they wanted the ATM number, the serial number, but there was no serial number on that ATM. So thankfully it is a K-Bank, well, I hope it is a K-Bank machine. It has all K-Bank all over. I took plenty of photos, but luckily I took a receipt out of the machine that was there before I started using it. So that had the ATM number on it, the serial number, thankfully. So now K-Bank are investigating it, and hopefully we'll be able to get our money back, and that is a nice GTR Skyline. Anyways, very fucking annoyed, very fucking pissed off. So I'll see what happens, and hopefully between my bank and K-Bank they'll get us sorted. So okay, so things are going from bad to worse at this K-Bank. Went to the ATM and I went to try and take out 10,000 baht this time, and it timed out. I can't see that amount coming out of my bank account, which was about $500 or something like that. So, but I have reported that through to K-Bank, and I've got pictures of the serial number of that machine, but the serial number of the machine before, thankfully I had a receipt, like I said before, and I was able to provide that information through to them. A bit fucking annoying. So now we're going out to Terminal 21 to hopefully use the ATM machine out there that worked last week for us, a different bank, and hopefully that works and we get some money, because I don't have much money left. So I'll see how we go. Alright, let's go. So this is how you catch Grab to a different destination, if I can work it out. Alright, so this is how you catch Grab. We're going out to Terminal 21 from this K-Bank out here, wherever I am, and I'll show you how to do that. So that's the bank, hopefully. That's our location. Just Grab. So we can go Grab car, which is more private car, or we can go Just Grab, is taxis and cars. So we'll just do Just Grab, 111 baht. So yeah, book Just Grab, looking for a ride. Connecting with drivers, so it's a bit like Uber. Anytime now. Here we go. Found this guy who's got a Yaris. I think it might be the gentleman from earlier. Piti Plongno. So he's 12 minutes away, so we'll hang around for a little bit and you can actually see where he is. So, there we go. Just got a little way to come pick us up. So you just jump in the taxi or the grab car when he comes here, and then you basically get out at your destination, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. It automatically charges your bank account if you've got your credit card on there. You can use cash as well, specify cash, and yeah, it's nice and easy, just like Uber. So yeah. Always best to check the seats before you get out in case you left your belongings in there. Can happen, so definitely want to avoid that. Security used to scan your bags and put a wand over you and everything, but that was about 3 years ago it used to happen, so I don't know why they're not doing it anymore. It's a bit strange. You walk into one of these places with a gun and they wouldn't even know. So we're probably not going to Harley-Davidson now. There's due to the little issue. We're at Terminal 21 in Pattaya. Going to go to the ATM that actually worked last time for us and hopefully get our money out, which will be good. It's going to work. Awesome. Working. I actually got me a receipt this time. Gotta hold that, I'll count that. That's good. So that one actually worked that time, so very happy. K-Bank up in Terminal 21. So we've got our 20,000 baht out, so happy with that. Thank God. So now we've actually got a little bit of spending money. Might only last about a day, I reckon, knowing our plans. Usually going through 20,000 a day here in Thailand. Maybe. Just for tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit of money. Works out to 920 something dollars Australian. So yeah. Anyways, what do you want to do? Do you want to go to the food court? Get some sticky mango
rice.
And rice, yeah. All right, sounds like a plan. Let's go. So yeah, a bit of an update about how we went with the banking situation. So speaking to a friend of mine in Bangkok, he said to go into the police and actually report it. So that's exactly what I did the other night, and the police were very helpful. They basically took my statement and took all the details and all the evidence, and they will follow it up, which is the best thing to do, they said. And my bank is investigating, K-Bank is investigating, and hopefully I get a refund back into my account by next week sometime, which is for $923, I think it is, Australian dollars. So we'll see what happens, and I'll give an update when that actually occurs. So yeah.